Hi, this is Rick Lochtenberg here from Yellowseed, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an event to the event calendar. So let's get started. The event calendar is based on the posts system, and you can access the posts here, which, except for pages, most of the content is stored as a post. So clicking Add New takes you to this page. The first thing you'll need to do is give your event a title. Now, I've copied something over from another program, so before I do anything, I'm going to paste it into this body area here, into this text box. Now, whenever you're pasting text, you notice you have two options here, these two tabs, Visual and HTML. Whenever you're pasting something from another program, you want to choose HTML because that strips away all of the underlying code that comes with the text that you're copying. So I am going to paste the text in here just like this. I'm going to grab the title of the event. I'm going to cut that out and I'm going to put it here. So the title goes up here. We have the Trail Society for the Performing Arts presents. Now we've got some dates here. We're not going to keep them in here. This is very important. You have an additional area below the body right here called the events calendar. And that's the question, is this post an event? It is, so we click yes. Next we want to enter the start time. Now this event is October 5th at 7:30 p.m. So we're going to choose here, October 5th, and we're going to end it at the same time, or the same date, October 5th. Okay, now we want to see how we see all-day event here. We want to uncheck that. And that gives us the time. This event starts at 7:30, so I'm going to choose 7:30 p.m. and it goes to about 10 p.m. So I'll make this 10 p.m. Okay, so we've got the time details. The next thing we want to do is the venue. Now sometimes you don't have all of the details for the venue. In this case we've got the venue title. It's at the Charles Bailey Theatre. We know this is in Trail and the province is BC. We don't have the postal code or any of those details, which for now I'm just going to leave out. You don't always need to put those details in. It's more for convenience. So I've taken away, as you see, I deleted the that little extra bit of code, so I'm just left with a description here. And at the bottom of the description of the event, I've got the contact information for people to buy tickets. If the event has a cost and it's given to you, you can enter the cost down here. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Now, if an event is in kind of an obscure place or a place you don't think people will know, you can click this and that will show a Google map, or at least a link to the Google map for the directions. Since we don't have an address or a postal code, we'll just leave that unchecked. If we later on find one, then we can put the address in and the postal code and then click on that link, and that would provide a link to the map. So really, for creating an event, that's it. All we need to do now is click over here, publish. You don't have to worry about the categories. The event category will be automatically selected. If you want to put in tags, you can do that. So an example of a tag might be this is a trio, so this is classical music. So let's choose classical music as a tag. We can choose music as a tag so that it's, because it is that as well, and I think that's enough. If you can think of other tags, other ways that people might categorize this event, you can enter that too. Click add, and finally I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to click publish. We'll let the event enter. There it is. Now if we go over to the site and then we take a look at the event calendar by clicking on events here, let it load, and this is an event that takes place in October, so I'm going to jump to the month of October. And there it is. There's our event. Put our mouse over it, you can see the description, and if I go ahead and click on it, there's the full description. Now I can put in images or photos if I like, so if somebody would like has supplied you with a photo or an image, then you can enter it the same way that you add any other type of image to a post. for now, that's our whole event, and that's it. Thanks for watching.